Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I got this look with the MorpheXJames Charles palette. So if you want to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. So this is the palette right here, using the neutrals on this palette, basically up here and down here. With a blending brush, we're going to be taking this shade right here. We're going to be taking it on a blending brush, and then I'm going to start with this. Now I'm going to be taking this darker brown shade and put that in my outer corner and blend it up into my crease with the same brush. I took this shade right here and buffed it underneath my eye to give my eye a little bit of more dimension. I'm going to go in with this shade right here with my finger and just put that all over my eyelids, the inner half of my eyelid, and blend those edges out. And I just like to take the brush and just go over that color so it's not too bright. I'm going to add lashes and liner, finish off the rest of my face, and I will be right back. So this is the final look. Don't mind my nails. I literally did not have time to do them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.